In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. This is a really important skill if you're managing email marketing because your audience is where all of your contacts live. Getting this set up correctly from the start will make your campaigns more organized and easier to manage later on. First, open your browser and go to the Mailchimp login page. Sign into your account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look for the option labeled Audience in the main navigation menu, usually along the top or left side of the screen, and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your contact lists and related tools. After you've opened the Audience section, select Audience Dashboard. This view gives you an overview of your contacts, growth, and basic stats. Even though we're creating something new, it's useful to know that this dashboard is your home base for anything related to subscribers. Next, find the Manage Audience drop-down menu. It's typically near the top of the page within the audience area. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of options that appears, choose View Audiences. This will show you any audiences you already have and give you access to options for adding new ones. Now, to start building your new audience, click on Add a Subscriber. Depending on your version of Mailchimp, this might feel like you're just adding a single contact, but it's the starting point for defining the audience settings that your subscribers will be associated with. You'll see fields for details related to your audience. Take your time with the audience name. Choose something clear and specific, like the type of customers or the project this list is for. A good name will help you quickly recognize the right audience later, especially if you manage more than one. Then, fill in the default from address. This is the email address your subscribers will see when they receive your campaigns. Make sure it's a professional address that you have access to, and ideally, one that matches your brand, since it helps build trust and improves deliverability. Once you've filled everything in and double-checked that it's correct, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. When you're ready, click Save. Mailchimp will apply your settings and create the audience using the information you provided. And that's it. You've successfully created a new audience in Mailchimp, and you're now ready to start adding contacts and sending targeted campaigns.